Guys, in this video, I will talk about 7 common ways to create American English sentences. You know what? American English sentences are very difficult to create in a moment. Okay, so this is very important for you because we wanna speak English fluently. To fluent English speaking is the very important concept here in our life. Okay, so if you speak English fluently, so you can achieve each and everything whatever you want in your job, in your career. Okay, so let's talk about 7 common ways. Okay, but like an American person. So our first way is here, it is subject verb object. Each and every sentence never make without any subject, verb or object, but it is full sentence. If you use any like filler phrases, there are no need like sentences like subject, verb or object. Okay, there are no need. But if you talk about sentence, so there are must need subject, verb or object. Okay, but there are so many ways type of sentences like imperative, simple, interrogative. There are something different format here. Okay, so let's talk about this is the most basic sentence structure. Okay, subject, verb, object. Like subject, I like pizza. Subject, I, verb, like, or object, pizza. I like pizza. She plays guitar. They watch movies. Okay, subject, verb, object, subject, verb, object. You understand? You create this type of sentences. Next, subject plus verb only. No any object. Without any sentence, without any object, we create sentences also. Here, some verbs don't need an object to make sense. Okay, so without sense, without understanding, the sentence is incomplete. Okay, so here he runs, we understand, I understand. What is this? What is the sense of this sentence? You understand. Next, we agree, I understand, you understand. She smiled, I understand, you understand. So we can say this is right concept here. So you can use this type of sentences, okay, without using any object. Okay guys, let's see next method. Next, third method is there is or there are. Using there is or there are, you can also create new sentences like an American person. For example, you used to talk about existent or presence. Okay, for example, there is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. There are 2 dogs outside. There is a problem. Okay, so you can use there is or there are in the place of subject. Okay, so there is singular, there are singular. Okay, if a book singular, so we have to use is. If dog, 2 dogs, singular subject, singular noun here, so we have to use are. Problem, a problem, so we have to use is. You understand? Next, question with do or does, did. Okay, you can ask any question with do, does or did. Do, does, helping verb of present indefinite tense, and did, helping verb of past indefinite tense. Okay, so here used to ask about actions or facts. If you want to talk about fact, so you have to use do or does. But if you want to talk about action, you have to use did. Okay, so do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Does he work here? Next, did they call you? Did they call you. So here, call you action, does he work like coffee? Okay, so this type of sentences you also create using do, did, does or did. Okay, this is our fourth method. Next, I want to talk about next method. It is verbs. Using verbs. Verbs means is, are, am, was, were. Okay, verb means is, are, am, was, were. So using verbs, you can create new sentences like an American person. Used to describe state, condition, or identity. For example, I am tired. I am tired. So here, state, I am tired. She is a teacher. Identity. They were late. Condition here. Okay, so you can use to describe state, condition, or identity. You can use verbs like is, are, and was, were. Okay, next, modal verbs. I think you know heard about modal verbs mostly. Okay, like modal verbs like can, should, will, and could, would, other. I am talking about all type of modal verbs. Okay, used to express ability, advice, or future actions. Ability, for ability we have to use can, could, or advice, should, for future will, shall. Okay, so here you should study. You should study. In this sentence, the sense is here about advice, because should modal verb shows advice. Okay, I can help. I can help. Here, can shows ability. He will come later. So here, will shows future action. So guys, understand? You can create new sentences. Okay. Next, our next or last way is here to create sentences, American English sentences. Okay. Imperatives. Imperatives, it is called commands. Okay, used to give orders or instructions. But in these type of sentences, we don't use subject. Okay, but we can use verb, but we never use subject. So here, close the door. Close the door. Please sit down. Call me later. So these are all commands or instruction to other person. Okay, so guys, you understand how to create new sentences or how to create American English sentences. Okay, so if you are a person, if you want to speak like an American, so this is very useful for you. And if you have doubt, you can ask me in the comment box and I will give you reply definitely. So see you in my next video very soon.